Hi guys, I'm reviewing this product for you, the Clever Chef French Press Single Serve coffee maker. So let's just open it up and see how it is inside. Okay guys, so this is the product. As you can see here, this cap is made from plastic and basically you just pull it out like this, up, and it just comes out like this. As you can see, you have like a metal filter down and around the thing. So basically you can make with this pot, you can do coffee, you can do tea. So basically it's just up to you as what you will really like to have that day. To be honest, for the budget, I think it's a very good option if you want to make coffee or if you want to make tea. So it's a must in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you decide to buy this Clever Chef French Press. Here you also have a manual how to use it and how to pour the coffee on top of it. So this was it. Thank you so much for watching.